The next question word that we're going to learn is the question word matai. Matai. When. Matai. When. Matai. אוצר מילים. Treasure of words. Vocabulary. Let's learn a few words before we start the exercise. Morning. בוקר. בוקר. noon. צהריים. צהריים. afternoon. אחר הצהריים. אחר הצהריים. evening. ערב. ערב. night. לילה. לילה. meal. ארוחה. ארוחה. breakfast. Remember the word ארוחה? So breakfast is a meal you eat in the morning. Therefore, ארוחת בוקר. ארוחת בוקר. lunch. Can you guess what would be lunch in Hebrew? If breakfast is ארוחת בוקר, therefore lunch is ארוחת צהריים. ארוחת צהריים. dinner. I'm not telling you this one. Okay, I'm going to tell you. So if breakfast is ארוחת בוקר, lunch is ארוחת צהריים, so dinner, a meal we eat in the evening, is ארוחת ערב. ארוחת ערב. And something we didn't learn so far is the word for wine. יין. יין. Wonderful. I hope that you wrote all those words in your notebook, because those will be the words that we're going to use in our exercises. That's it for this one. I'm going to see you guys in the next lecture, the exercise.